extend that out a little bit more. There you go. Line out here for the side of the cheek. Line down. Out. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of the chin there, which is a big part of his character. Go up a bit. Okay, now I'm going to draw the other side of his cheek, and that's going to be like a check mark. Like that. I might even move it down a bit. I'm going to draw these two lines right there coming out from the crack of his smile. And another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here and fill that in. See, the back of his teeth are, you know, they're there. Zigzag line in there for the gum. Just zigzagging curve line down.
Take shit, I got no love.